thanks for joining me today. My name is Shab Akrami. In this video, I'll be discussing Express Entry application. Express Entry falls under the economic route. This is reserved for people who can demonstrate to Canada that they can economically contribute to the Canadian economy. You get evaluated based on age, education, language, work experience, and some other factors like family ties to Canada. You will receive some points under this, and based on how many points you get, you may get a selection or an invite for permanent residency. So how does this process really work? It's divided into two steps. The first step is we gather all your documentation and create a profile. This is an online application. So again, we gather information based on your ID to demonstrate your age, your education, your language abilities. So you'd have to do an IELTS test or some sort of English proficiency test to demonstrate your level of English. Your education gets assessed, and it's called an ECA, and so forth. We gather these documentation, we put it on the online portal, and then we await to see if you're going to receive an invite. How the invitations work is that the Government of Canada puts all the applicants into a pool. It's not a swimming pool, it's a pool of applicants. And in there, they take the average of the pool. So hypothetically, there's 1,000 people in this pool, and the average is 450 points, then a draw is made for 450. Anyone who scores 450 or above will receive the next step, which is the invite for permanent residency. Once you receive this invite, currently you have 90 days to provide all the documentation to the government to prove your profile. So for example, if you stated that your education level is a bachelor's degree, they want the ECA to prove that you indeed have an equivalency of a Canadian's bachelor's degree. For your age, a copy of your passport. The most important part of this process is actually stage one. Many clients come to me and say, okay, I did my profile and now I want you to submit because I got an invitation. I did the profile myself. The problem with that is that many clients make a mistake in the first stage. And if you make a mistake on the first stage, I would have to decline the invite, restart the entire process again, fix it up, and again put you back into the pool. So you just wasted your own time, perhaps some money that you invested into creating the profile, and it's not really what I would recommend. If you're going to do it right from the beginning. At Akrami & Associates, we assist all our clients with Express Entry. So if this is something you're interested in, please do contact us. Thank you.